Love, a magic spell that spins hearts, whirls emotions, and transforms one into a heart. It's real, it's unique, and ever true. But human beings alter its virtue. The quality one displays when possessed, bubbly, chirpy, lively, and obsessed. The nature revealed when depressed, gloomy, silent, calm, and bereaved. Though it inflicts pain and happiness alike, it's hard to renounce or dislike. Though it inflicts pain and happiness alike, it's hard to renounce or dislike. Difficult is love to gauge, even more it is for us to gauge. Difficult is love to gauge, even more it is for us to gauge. An elixir or an immortal drink, two mortals who stand on melancholic brink. An elixir or immortal drink, two mortals who stand on melancholic brink. Hail true love divine, alas, fake and fickle-minded mortals insane. Hail true love divine, alas, fake and fickle-minded mortals divine. By Mrs. Mary Ram.